Hi, thanks for tuning in. This is the S&P 500 Index Futures Daily Wave Chart Analysis. We're looking at the last week's trading on the daily chart. This is the wave chart where we saw the market really bid higher over the previous period. Look at all that volume. It's reflecting this push higher. If you put a smaller wave on it, a 30 point, a 20 point, even a 10 point, there's no waves in there. That was strong demand. That's reflected in the volume that you can see down here. That's the accumulated volume for all those bars. This was buying coming in. And the market in response has moved into consolidation mode pretty much for the whole week this week. The supply that was drawn out was very modest. That's 3.1 million contracts. And that's very low compared to the 21.3 million contracts that were bought to the upside. This is an incomplete wave towards the upside here, so we won't really be looking at that too much. But the market has been bought strongly, and the pullback was relatively shallow, and its duration was quite short. That's generally a sign of strength. If we look at the daily chart, you can see that the market has found strength down here at the reversal. There was a period of consolidation in response, a nice push higher, and then another period of consolidation, a push higher up to the current highs of the range, and then there's been a period of consolidation in response. That's quite a strong move. There's no great weakness being shown. This period here is the market attempting to absorb any supply that's been drawn out in response to the recent gains and solidify those gains and retain them as much as possible. And the market does look over the last few days as though it would like to continue higher. I do note there's been quite a bit of uncertainty in the markets at this point in time. I do note there's been quite a bit of uncertainty in the markets recently, but this market in particular is showing you that some strength has emerged. And the period of consolidation this week, being relatively shallow and short in duration, tells you that the market has found some strength and will likely attempt at least to push higher. It may not be successful, but it may attempt to push higher. At least that's what the chart's showing at this point in time. Okay, thanks for tuning in. Back again next week. See ya.